Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel 365 Blend Bytes. Today, we will explore how to automatically update the status of our projects using the if and switch functions in Excel. We will also display the percentage progress of each project with conditional formulas and showcase ratings using icon sets in conditional formatting. Additionally, we'll demonstrate how to use the camera tool to take a snapshot of your data, which will automatically update as you make changes to the main data sheet. Let's get started. Open Excel and prepare your data similarly to how I have done in this Excel sheet. Include columns for project name, status, completion percentage, rating, and different project stages. We will use this data to automatically generate our results. You can customize the data as per your requirements. Additionally, I have put sample demonstration that outlines the status at each stage, the percentage completion, and a rating indicator. Now select the data range. Go to the Home tab. In the Styles section, click on Format as Table. Choose the style you prefer and ensure the My Table has headers option is checked and click OK. Increase the font size to 16 for better visibility. In cell B2, utilize the if function to assess the project status according to the completion percentage in column D. If the value in D2 is 20%, designate the status as Project Initiation Done, and if D2 is 50%, then Project Planning Done will appear. Similarly, if D2 equals 0, label the status as Not Started, and proceed accordingly for other completion percentage thresholds. Each if function is nested within the previous if function, and the parentheses are used to properly close each if condition. Press Enter. After entering the formula in cell B2, double-click the fill handle to automatically extend the formula down to apply it to all cells in column B. We will delve into the application of the switch function at a later stage. Now in column D, use the following formula to calculate the completion percentage based on the stages completed. For instance, if cell F2 contains the text Done, the formula returns 20%, if not, it returns 0. Similarly, if G2 contains Done, it returns 30%, and so forth until we reach 100%. Press Enter. Double-click the fill handle to automatically extend the formula in column D. In column E, apply the following formula to compute the rating from 1 to 4. This formula evaluates if E2 cell contains the text Done. If true, it assigns a rating of 1, otherwise, it assigns 0. Similarly for other corresponding cells. The formula then sums these values to provide the total rating out of 4. After entering the formula in cell E2, press Enter and use the fill handle to drag the formula down. Let's test the formulas to ensure they provide the expected results. As observed, each stage marked as Done automatically updates the project status, completion percentage, and rating accordingly. Now we will start applying conditional formatting. First, let's choose Project Status column for conditional formatting. Highlight column B range. Go to Conditional Formatting, highlight Cells Rules, text that contains. Enter the text Project Closure Done. And apply a custom format with a background color of your choice. Additionally, go to Font option and select white as the text color. Click OK to confirm the formatting changes. With this, column B formatting is complete. Let's give it a try. Here we go, applied condition is working smoothly. Now conditional formatting for percentage completion. Highlight column D range. Go to conditional formatting and look for data bars. Choose solid fill. Keep the range highlighted and navigate to conditional formatting again. Click on Manage Rules, then select Edit Rule for the specific condition. You can change the bar color according to your choice. Now go to Format and change the format type to number. And set the minimum value as 0. And the maximum as 1. Click OK. And then Apply. And hit OK again. Now the solid color bar adjusts based on the percentage completed from 0 to 100%. Once more, navigate to the Text Color option under the Home tab and select white to enhance visibility. Let's give it a try. As you can see, the solid color bar adjusts based on the percentage completed. Let's fill in more project stages by marking them as done to create a visually appealing layout. Highlight the data range from column F to column I where the text done is mentioned. Then, go to Conditional Formatting, select Highlight Text Containing, and mention Done as the text. Choose a color of your choice to differentiate it from the rest of the database. Let's give it a try. Perfect. Now let's highlight column E. Go to Conditional Formatting. And then Icon Sets. And choose 5 ratings. Keep the range highlighted and navigate to Conditional Formatting again. Select Manage Rules, then choose Edit Rule for the specific range. Checkmark Show Icons Only. And hit OK. Let's fill in more stages to test the rating column. As you can see, the rating column is functioning perfectly as expected. Moving on to the exciting part, using the switch function in cell C2 to get the status of each project. The switch function in Excel is more efficient and straightforward than the if function for handling multiple conditions. It provides a cleaner syntax by listing each value result pair without needing multiple parentheses, reducing errors, and making formulas easier to debug. Switch evaluates the expression once and checks each case sequentially, whereas if function requires evaluating each condition separately, making it less efficient for numerous conditions. Thus, switch is a preferred choice for scenarios with multiple discrete values. Like in this formula we have expression evaluation of value in cell E2. Also we have matching values. It matches the value against specified cases 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have output, returns the corresponding status. 1. Project initiation done. 2. Project planning done. 3. Project execution done. And 4. Project closure done. Simplified logic eliminates the need for nested if statements, making the formula easier to read and manage. Hit Enter. And here we go, we have the desired result. Use the Fill option to copy the formula to other cells. Use the Format Painter to apply the same conditional formula as in column B. You can also change the background color using Edit option in the conditional formatting if desired as explained in previous steps. Then hit OK and Apply. Lastly, we can use Camera tool for dynamic snapshot. To add the Camera tool, right-click on the ribbon and select Customize the ribbon. From the drop-down list, choose All Commands. And look for Camera icon. To add this we have to create a new group under any tab, like in this case, we create under Home tab. Now click Add. And Camera tool will be added in Customized ribbon. Hit OK. You can see the camera icon is available now. Choose the desired range for capture, then utilize the Camera tool to acquire the image. Position the snapshot anywhere on the sheet as required. Proceed to format the image using the picture format options to meet specific needs. Enhance visual appeal by applying presets, 3D rotation, glow, or shadow, as per your choice to make it presentable. The snapshot will dynamically update as modifications are made to the primary data sheet, ensuring real-time representation. This feature allows for seamless integration of the picture into a dashboard, eliminating the need for repetitive replacement of images typically associated with static snapshots. This tutorial has demonstrated how to use the if and switch functions to automatically update project statuses, calculate percentage completions, and display ratings with icon sets. We also explored applying conditional formatting and using the Camera tool for dynamic snapshots. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more Excel tips and tricks. Unlike other tutorials filled with lengthy chatter, I focus on delivering concise, yet impactful and informative content, respecting your time and maximizing your learning experience. Your support is invaluable for me.